Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, Orkodo. So today I'm bringing you the authentic way to prepare your shito. The shito in which the Waakye sellers used to sell their Waakye. Man, this is authentic and original Amaria shito. So you can just imagine the process and the taste is unique and irresistible. So to prepare the shito, you need onion. So basically, onion is the main thing that quantify the shito. Okay, so you need much onion, we have ginger, we have shrimps, we have oil, we have dry fish, we have garlic and some local seasoning or spices. So the local spices can be rosemary, grains of Salem, hintia, cloves, just name it, anything of your choice. Okay, so to start the process, we have to first peel our onion by washing them, and also we do the same thing to the garlic and the ginger.
Way I moko dry one. Ya will be said oyan shito. Me say me shito, me pese me moko ne enam sasa wan kitten. Oninya yan kwam ye fa ne sesaw. Ade ni so mo fa no monko. Me de ma mixi moko no ma kanya me powder. What about you, mama? Mbeba na dibi on kanka mesi.
And since this is March, we have to use the local corn mill to grind this process by adding everything together inside one bucket. And this one secret that this Waakye sellers use. So you first stir fry the local seasoning, which is rosemary, cloves and other stuff together.
But I say I two local spices. Ya chimo I say go chase from no Drake Accra. Oye wina na ye de gu mokono na mon kwana fish no so. We akaya no dry want me dey see from no. Pe say oye wina. Asana me da mix it.
So after grinding the ingredients and everything from the corn mill, we now come to start the proper or the process of making this shito. So her process is to stir fry the onion first, okay, without adding oil to the pot.
Okay. What about you? No one soon ya few. No soon if you ma. Now what we will cook and no spices no that come. No oil. Or send that from my own for oil no woman in there. What do I know no so much to two or to two go to me pro? Until I am and swinging ya few a sunny at the oil. If you are the spices for an iron on him corner. Nay that come. Once I would in Bagum now go to me. So no bed of no yaketwa. Or soon about to cry yaketwa.
She first stir fry the onion and the garlic and ginger together close for an hour to absorb the water. One thing about shito is that shito requires oil. Okay, so the only name shito knows is oil. So the more oil you put in your shito, the more authentic and natural and delicious it becomes. Okay, but as you are doing it as a personal one, you can also make it a big thick so that I can fill in the ingredients or the meat seasoning or the fish seasoning inside it.
Jenny no ni kekaduna na masamugu so amechi. Mechi. Wa brown edrisi.
And again, the local spices also went in.
Monko, and you dry pepper, no local spices, no manium, no powder, Madame Mixia. Safina Mede Zoguma.
So another bottle of oil has been added to it. We continue to stir fry for some time. Then she added in a bit of Maggi and salt to taste. So after an hour and 30 minutes, we now lower the temperature of the fire so that everything will boil slowly. Okay, so because we don't want our shito also to get burnt, to have that bitterness or sourness in our shito. We want authentic and original shito. So on a low heat, we leave on fire for it to boil a bit. Okay, and you taste to see if the shito, the taste and everything is okay. Remember, we didn't add tomatoes to this kind of shito. Okay, so this is a strictly black pepper that you feel the spicy and everything in it. You can also use some amount of tomatoes in your shito, but it should be very little. Very little. But this is the Waakye kind of shito, so no tomatoes was added to this. Okay, so close to 2 hours now, everything is okay. We now keep on fire to make it cool so that we can store them in a container in the size that you want. And man, this is the easiest and another authentic way to prepare your shito. Get yourself some ingredients and prepare some amazing shito this weekend and enjoy with your family. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If today is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share. Cooking with Sindaco. Let's do this again for Shizzle Manizo or Kodo.